this world become endangered.
What is endangered species?
Oh, I know. Endangered species is an organism that has the high risk to extinct due to some reasons. For example, deforestation, human works, and climate change.
No worries. We will show you the example of endangered species.
These are our example: Himalayan tiger, pangolin, panda, rhino, orangutans, and leatherback turtle.
So these are examples of human activities that affect endangered animals. As we can see, this leatherback turtle was killed by humans, and this koala has lost its habitat due to human activities, namely deforestation. How can we solve these issues? Let's look at the next slide. Among them are spread awareness through social media, like in YouTube Short and TikTok. This can make other people who see the video aware that they will not disturb endangered animals anymore. For the second one is encouraging a campaign about endangered species at school. It helps students understand which animals are at risk and how human actions affect endangered animals. Thirdly, we can also expand reservation park so that animals that have lost their habitat have a place to live again. Lastly, by conducting large-scale tree replanting, with this, the trees can provide food and attract insects, birds, and other wildlife, which creates a balanced ecosystem.
Why should we protect the endangered animals?
Firstly, it keeps nature healthy. Each animal and plants have its own role to play. When a species disappears, it can cause a whole ecosystem to fall apart. For example, bees pollinate flowers and crops, and predators keep other animals in check. Secondly, for future generations, we should protect endangered animals for our children and grandchildren to make sure they can experience the treasure of a natural world. New generations will gain continuity of biodiversity that is still balanced.
Furthermore, human daily life is strongly connected to some endangered species. Endangered species can help us with job and economy. For example, Asian and African elephant help attract tourists, and this can increase our nation's ecotourism. Last but not least, some endangered species can also help us on medicines and health, like the hammerhead shark. It helps us with its liver oil.
How can we relate SDG without we talk about endangered species that live in water and land? And because of that, our topic is very related to SDG number 14 and 15, which is life below water and life on land. Hence, some endangered species are very valuable for us humans who live as creatures on land. For example, the hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark is not only for economic matters, but can also be for medical matters too. Last but not least, Aspire, aka our group's name, hopes that our way to solve this issue can help to reduce the extinction of animals in the future. On the other side of the coin, we also hope that you or anyone else can spread our worries about endangered species to the world like a wildfire. That's all from Aspire. Thank you.